The skyline of Manhattan shimmered beyond the floor-to-ceiling windows of Westcorp's top floor. The conference room buzzed with anticipation. Pen poised, billionaire tech mogul Richard Voss was moments away from signing the biggest acquisition of his life, a $3.4 billion merger with EonTech, a rapidly rising competitor in artificial intelligence. The room was thick with tension. Lawyers, board members, and executives from both companies stood in suits worth more than most people's cars, watching Richard's hand hover over the final line. Cameras were ready, champagnes chilled. His assistant whispered, "All set." "Mr. Voss?" Richard gave a faint nod, fingers tightening on the Montblanc pen. That's when a soft voice broke the silence. "Don't sign that contract." Heads turned. Gasps fluttered around the table. At the far end of the room, almost invisible. Until now stood Maria Gonzalez, the cleaning lady. Mid-50s, humble clothes, her rubber gloves tucked into her apron. She held a trash bin in one hand and a feather duster in the other. Her presence in that sleek, ultra-exclusive space was so unexpected that for a moment, no one said anything. Richard's brows furrowed. "Excuse me?" Maria stepped forward, voice steady but respectful. "I clean your offices every night. I wasn't eavesdropping. But I saw something. I wasn't sure if I should say anything, but I can't stay quiet now." The EonTech CEO, Donald Reeves, chuckled bitterly. "What is this? Some kind of prank?" But Richard held up a hand. "Go on, Maria." Everyone stared. Maria, heart pounding, pulled out her phone and showed Richard a photo. "I was cleaning outside the legal department 2 nights ago. The lights were on. I saw 2 men from EonTech, the man with the red tie and another guy, sneaking into your lawyer's office. They copied something onto a flash drive. I found this on the printer afterward." She handed Richard a printed page. It was a revised contract, one that wasn't supposed to exist. Richard scanned it. His face turned pale. Buried in the fine print was a clause granting EonTech full ownership of a proprietary Westcorp algorithm, a billion-dollar breakthrough that was never meant to be shared. A clause that wasn't in the contract Richard had read. Or so he thought. He turned to his lawyers. "Did any of you see this clause?" Murmurs. Pages rustled. Panicked glances. One of them paled. "This isn't the version we approved." "Donald." Reeves took a step back, trying to maintain composure. There must be a mix-up, but Richard slammed the pen on the table. "No deal." The room exploded in chaos. Cameras were turned off. Legal teams scrambled. Reeves was shouting, but Richard ignored him. He walked up to Maria. "You may have just saved my company." "Know my legacy?" Maria smiled nervously. "I just thought you should know, that's all." Later that day, Richard called an emergency press conference. "I was minutes from making the biggest mistake of my career," he told the press. "Thanks to the honesty of one woman, a cleaning lady most people wouldn't even notice, we avoided disaster. That woman is now the head of integrity and security for Westcorp." Maria, in her modest shoes and warm smile, stood beside him on the stage. The world watched in awe as a billionaire gave credit not to a CEO or a consultant, but to someone whose wisdom had come not from boardrooms, but from simply paying attention and having the courage to speak up. And from that day forward, Richard Voss had a framed quote behind his desk. "Listen to those who clean your floors. They may just be the ones who keep your empire standing."